Paper 1, 2020, Question 1, Part B, the VAT section. It's important to note here that 90% of the sales are on credit. And then, credit sales for the month of June is totaled at 75,900. The cost of these sales amounted to 66,000. So we are looking for the VAT amount on the 75,900. And we calculate it as 75,900 times 15 divided by 115. That gives me the 9,900. Careful now what we write here. They want to know, clearly state if what is happening with my VAT will increase or decrease the opening balance. Now, with that, they want you to understand that this opening balance is actually in my VAT control on the debit side. And that means that SARS is owing us the money. So this amount will decrease if we put the output VAT on that side. Then this will decrease. So make sure that you understand why this is a decrease. It is an increase to what we owe to SARS, but it's a decrease from this amount because we now cannot claim that much anymore because we have charged 9,900. Make sure you understand what I explained here. This question is saying, how does what we do here affect this amount? Okay, so let's go further. What is our next question? Our next question is, you must also account for the VAT on the cash sales. Now this was 90% because it's the credit sales. So we are now looking for the 10% and we are given the 90% of the 75,900. Can you remember how we do that? So let me show you. We have 75,900 times the 10 that we are looking for, but the 75,900 represents the 90, which is this 8,433 rounded off. Then what do they say? They say this is inclusive of VAT. So that is why I times by 15 and divide by 115, and the amount is 1,100. This is also a sale. So a sale is output VAT, and output VAT will decrease the amount I can claim since this is a debit amount. 270 I think was given to you. Number 3A was given to you. And then they say the total credit purchases amounted to 2070, VAT inclusive, the purchases, the credit purchases. T-shirts to the value of 360 were sent back to the supplier. We purchased that amount and we sent back 360, VAT exclusive. So let's just calculate that. 360 VAT exclusive is 54 Rand. That's where this is coming from. The 360 VAT exclusive. And now we've got to look at what it's doing to my amount. The 270 was the credit purchases. That is input VAT. So the input VAT will increase my amount. The input VAT will increase this amount because it's also going to be on the debit side. Then the 54 is a return, and a return is on the credit side, so it will decrease the amount I can claim. And guys, really, if this doesn't make too much sense to you, keep on doing your T account. If you do your T account, you will know what is happening because my original balance is here. My original balance is there. Then I have purchases. Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry. Sales. And I've got sales. Just one amount. and I've got purchases, and I've got returns. Can you see how I move between the debit and the credit side? On this side, it will increase the amount. On that side, it will decrease the original amount. Then number 4, a debtor who bought goods for 1,200 exclusive, hasn't paid his account, and now it's going to be written off. Now that 1,200 exclusive of that is times 15 divided by 100 is 180 Rand. There we are, our 180 Rand. It's the 1,200 times 15 divided by the 100. This is to be written off. So that was an output VAT that's not output VAT anymore. Bad debts, remember, written off, goes to the debit side. So this amount of 180 is going to be on the debit side, which will increase the original amount that I wanted to claim. It will increase that amount. And the last one is start to finish settled their account and were rewarded with a 690 discount. So the 690 times 15 divided by 115 is the 90 Rand that we have here. This is discount that we received. You just see? It's a creditor, so we received this discount. That means this is input VAT. Discount received will be on that side, so that will decrease the amount we originally wanted to claim. I hope that helps you to understand how we worked out this VAT amount that we owe to SARS.